Well, hello friend, Catherine and Erica here from Catherine Pooler Designs. It's time to Lasso Life.
I'm ready for it.
We're going to share our Happy Horseshoes Bundle today.
Yes.
But let's talk about Lasso Life. It has
do
a
it.
double meaning.
Yes. So we kind of were, when I was putting together that sentiment set, and I was like, what would be a fun...
This sentiment set?
That sentiment set?
You did this one?
I did. My family's from like the water, and you hear lake life a lot.
Yes.
You see it like on bumper stickers
Beach
and stuff.
life, because I love the beach.
Okay. And I was like, oh, what about like a lasso life? Like, I'm living that lasso life. But then we were like, but you can also grab life by the rope. By the horns.
Well, when I first saw Lasso Life, that was the meaning that I thought it was. You're gonna
take life
take it
by the horns.
Yes. Which works into the theme too.
Yeah. So we love it. It kind of is
so
a fun, empowering kind of thing.
So whether you lasso life or live lasso life.
Live the lasso life.
It's great. I'm excited to share the sentiment set that you did.
Any rodeo kings or queens out there? Let us know in the chat.
Let's get in.
Let's take a look at this bundle.
So our Happy Horseshoes Bundle starts with the Happy Horseshoes Bundle. And like all of our collections, the theme, what?
Happy Horseshoe stamp set.
Our Happy Horseshoes stamp set is the star of the Happy Horseshoes Bundle.
Yes.
So playing into the same Western revival theme, the images in here and the pattern paper and all that jazz is going to go perfectly with the These Boots bundle. So of course you need it all.
This stamp set is super fun. All of these sentiments were created to fit on this or over your horseshoes. So you'll be able to kind of stamp it in the space here or put it above. So look how cute.
Like that?
Yes.
Or like that. And because photopolymer stamps are
flexible.
Yeah, you can change the angle of the curve just a bit. So if you're doing it here, or if you go above, you might have to stretch it ever so slightly, but your stamping platform or when you put it on your block, you'll be able to do that.
That's easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
And then we've got several different sizes in here. So you've got your 3 large horseshoes. They're all a little bit different. You've got your medium horseshoe. And then you've got your tiny little lucky horseshoe.
And then we pulled the images off of the horseshoes and gave them to you as secondary stamps so you can create backgrounds. You can stamp and die cut and decorate the horseshoes. Lots of different design opportunities there for you.
We're going to have to grab that stamp and spin at some point and make like a full background with the horseshoe and the shamrocks.
Oh, that will be, let's do it.
Super cute.
So Howdy Partner Paper. Check out these patterns. I'm sucker for a paisley. I don't think we do enough with paisleys. I love them. This is a really, what's the word for it?
Rugged?
It's rugged. That's a good word. It's rugged. These are the same images from here, my friends. So when you get this Lucky Bloom stamp set and the coordinating dies, these images coordinate perfectly. Now in the first week, you can get this free with a $50 purchase. Don't forget to get your dies as well, but then this will be a regular item in the shop. Lucky to have you.
Super
so cute. Then we have
a little zigzag, some more horseshoes, and a gorgeous floral print.
And again,
inspiration there.
Right here. Everything
coordinates
perfectly. Then color palette, we have quartz, terracotta, mandarin spice, sauna. We have hot tub, glacier and cashmere, 2 of the new colors, and then macchiato. These are the colors you're going to want for this pattern paper pack. And then Dodge City sequins.
Yes. Look at this warm and spicy color combo.
Christy Goulet created this card and I thought it was absolutely adorable. So I remade it with different patterns, a little twist on that color combo. This is the reel on Instagram. So if you're not following us on Instagram, please hop over there and find us and follow. We'd love to have you there as well. I adore adding the die cut flowers over the top of the horseshoe because here we use this horseshoe.
Yes.
We're sneak peeking a product that we haven't shared yet.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll share that one. But here is another card.
Pretty.
And then that fringe die, which we're going to look at tomorrow too. And another horseshoe card. I love having them interlocked like this.
That one's gorgeous.
And the Lasso Life sentiment set. Erica, do you want to talk about this one because you designed it?
I had so much fun coming up with these sentiments because they just made me feel happy and laugh a lot. So I've got hello, hola, howdy. We've got hold your horses, and then let me catch up. Those kind of go together. Like, what is going on with you, girl? Let me find out. We've got let's go, girls. We have a rootin', tootin', good time. Goodness gracious. We've got Lasso Life. We've got yeehaw. Life's tough, darling, but so are you. And then we also have not my first rodeo. I'm here for you. I like those two together as well. Like, hey, I've been there, sis.
Been there, done that.
I'm here for
Let's
you
talk.
now.
Yep.
Aren't they fun?
Yeah, they are
Super
fun.
great for a night out, encouragement, a note to your girlfriend or your guy friend who would love a goodness gracious. I mean, come on.
Let's pop these to the side real quick. This is the bundle. So these products were all designed to go together, and when you purchase them in the bundle, you get a discount.
Tell us in the chat what famous Western took place in Dodge City. Yep.
I don't know, but we'll find out.
My mom loves watching Westerns.
So does my stepdad.
It's
That's
very
great.
special.
So let's make a card. I was excited about this because I thought it was a fun way to use pattern paper. And
Yeah.
Erica, I wanted to show you and our YouTube friend how to do it.
How you did it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, so we need to pick out some pattern paper, and we use this already. Yep. We use the stripe and the medallions.
It's the sun.
Oh, the sun.
Okay.
Oh, I think that would be fantastic, but we already used that. How about our rugged horses?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoa. Do that one.
Giddy up.
Whoa, Nelly.
So let's do this part first.
Okay.
I love Christy's cards. They're always clean and simple, and I get inspiration from so many different things she does. I don't know how she did hers, but the way I'm doing mine, just going to cut it 4 1/4, 5 1/2, and then take it and line it up corner to corner and give a trim.
That was easy.
Yeah, it was easy. Then we will take a card front and add liquid glue.
I love how clean and it looks, like glued together. It looks like it was seamless almost.
So we'll take one piece, add it on, and the other piece and add that on. Ta-da! How about that? Done and done. I want as much of that patterned paper to show as possible.
Okay.
She used dots and scallops, or scallops and dots. And I'm just going to freehand cut. So I'm going to take an inch, let's see, inch off of each side. So this would be 4 1/4. We're going to go 3 1/4. And it would be 5 1/2. We're going to go 4 1/2.
Nice.
I think I
go a little smaller.
A little smaller. So let's trim a 1/4 inch more off.
We also have our rectangle dies, which are awesome for quick, perfectly sized layers. So if you're looking for something like that, they're great to have.
And then you can just take and figure out which size you want. Let's do it. We got hot tub, pink champagne, cashmere. We've got the glacier. What if I did the 2 new colors, glacier and cashmere?
And you're going to see that glacier dries back to quite a bit lighter shade when it's all dry than when you start.
This is juniper mist, and that is glacier. So when you stamp them together or direct to paper at the same time, they look really similar in color, but when they dry back, you can see that there is a big difference between these two colors.
And that glacier's got just the right amount of gray undertone to give it that muted look, and that is why it fits in our spa line. It is a gorgeous blue. We had those pictures from when my sister lived in Glacier, and that melted water, the glacial lake, it's that deep, dark,
The melted
gorgeous-
water?
the melted ice.
The melted ice. Yeah, a little while ago I said the Happy Horseshoes Bundle starts out with the Happy Horseshoes Bundle.
And I laughed.
And she laughed, so now I laugh at her. I think I want to pop up some of those. So I think we're going to do sauna and stamp a couple of these. The large flower and the small flower, maybe hot tub. Oh, quartz. I like quartz. Let's do a couple in quartz. And then a couple in sauna. Let's do macchiato.
Macchiato is just such a yummy brown.
Ugh, absolutely.
Really rich and pretty. It's a nice mid-tone, so it's not too light, not too dark.
Bit of this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and die cut these.
I got some tape here at the ready, my friend.
Erica is finishing up die cutting all those images. So while she's doing that, oh, thank you, flowers, leaves, the whole shebang. I'm going to do the Howdy Partner. And I was laughing because I probably should have done this in hot tub, but that gives me the opportunity to emboss. So that will look great. I think it'll be a nice contrast against the stars. So Howdy Partner, see how that lines up perfectly on the horseshoe. Okay, so Howdy Partner. We'll peel this off of the sticky grid sheets. White embossing powder, we'll just sprinkle that on and top it off.
There's one more flower. So cute.
Yeah, this is gonna be great. I don't know if I'm gonna have room for both horseshoes on my card, but we'll see. I have my adhesive strips around here somewhere. I don't see them right now. Howdy Partner. And Erica thought the Let Me Catch Up would be really cute on this, and I totally agree. So let's do it in, you know, I think I'm gonna do macchiato. Hopefully this will be, let's get a practice piece first. Let Me Catch Up. Howdy Partner, let me catch up.
It's giving like, I haven't seen you in a while.
That's right.
I like sentiments that, you know, you could just say, I haven't seen you in a while. Or you could say, howdy partner, let me catch up.
And I can't put this upside down, right?
Well, you can. I don't think it needs it. That's kind of fun though. The
Yeah.
Doolally, how do you call that? The asymmetrical?
Okay, so I have a plethora of adornments for the card. I kind of want to adorn this.
Stars? You got stars.
What if I do flower and star?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do that?
Yeah, why not? Or little paisley Medusa.
A paisley Medusa. A paisley what?
Medusa.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Paisley.
Is it one paisley? You also have like your little green bit you could tuck under a leaf. Or, I mean, under a star. Like instead of a flower. I don't know.
Okay.
The possibilities are endless.
Yes, you did cut all of these for me, and I'm not using any, but that looks phenomenal.
Really
so we're going to have to
gorgeous.
make another card.
So
Is that acceptable? Yes.
We're gonna say yes.
Okay. So the paisley, we're going to cover up the stars. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I think I need the smaller star. Yes. Okay, so this star will be adhered on with glue, and then the flower I think I'm going to pop up with a piece of foam tape.
A pop top. I love it. I love those fonts. They're so fun.
They are darling.
Those colors look great.
There we go. Ta-da! Do we need some sequins?
It would be a great masculine card too. With those colors?
These colors are perfect for masculine card. Yes. I
And you guys were really excited that you should be seeing on social media. Our brand ambassadors got their hands on these goodies, and they've been posting up cards on their channels. When you see things on Instagram or maybe Facebook or YouTube, definitely give them a shout out and let them know you love their creations. Some really, really fun things out there from the team.
All right, let's work with this baby. Okay, we got to do it upside down.
Put some flowers on there.
Mm-hmm.
You could even color that in if you wanted.
Oh, that would be beautiful.
Yeah. Or even just that one pop looks really pretty too, so that's fun. I just realized you did just the right number of pieces. She's like, oh, you need to cut all those flowers out.
Oh, you weren't following me.
No.
Okay.
I just thought you had some extra bits and bobs.
You thought I had you willy-nilly die cutting all of my things.
All these pieces for nothing.
Erica, go over there and just die cut all of my things, please. No, I had a very calculated plan. I'm having a blast with this collection. So these products will be available in the shop on February 5th, along with our 3 new inks, Cashmere Succulent and Glacier.
You're going to want to add them to your collection.
Don't forget, for the first week upon release, you get this for free when you add it to your cart after purchasing $50 worth of goodies. And definitely don't forget the dies.
Yep, and the code that you need for that is YEEHAW.
Thanks for hanging out and stamping with us today. I had a blast.
It was fun.
This is such a great collection. So many fun images and elements and dies and patterned paper and sequins. Can't wait to see what you create.
Yes, make sure that you tag us on social media with hashtag Catherine Pooler Designs or CP Lasso Life.
Oh yeah. Subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you again soon.